Chesapeake, Virginia. This home is super exciting. If you're looking for that resort setting, this is it. So get ready for this walkthrough. You don't want to miss this one. It has everything that you're looking for and then some. But this backyard is it. So you have this spectacular pool just waiting for you. I mean, today it's waiting for me and you because I could jump right in because it is super hot in Chesapeake today. And we were just voted one of the top 5 safest cities if you're looking to move here because we're it. So you've got this gorgeous pool and it is 0 maintenance because you do not have a liner. So this pool is absolutely wonderful, super spectacular. So just jump right in. You have a beautiful, beautiful setting back here and we are ready for entertainment. So you have this gorgeous pergola back here. So if you're looking to sit out here, watch your TV, hang out with your friends, you've got your nice table. This is going to convey so you can come out here, you know, pop in your nice little fire and chill out, put your little lights up around here. You've got your fan. So this has all electric going to it, which is super cool. You are fully fenced in. And another neat little thing is when you're back here, you've got your lights going around here. You've got all your lights around here and you're super private. There's nobody behind you, which is another great feature. You also have your nice little shed back here. So if you don't want to put your lawnmower and stuff like that in, you don't have to do that because you have that back here. You're not going to want to miss the inside or the front of this house either because it's absolutely gorgeous. Another super cool feature, this backyard is just where dreams are created because you have your nice little pool house back here. So you do have a little air conditioning unit back here, but if you wanted to chill out or the kids wanted a place to go and hang out because they were tired, didn't want to hang out at the pool anymore, you didn't want to run in through the house, you have this nice little area out here. And you've got the TV set up, the refrigerator, a little microwave, get your little couch here, a couple of little windows. This is super cute, right? I mean, everybody wants a pool house. So really, really nice out here. Put a little couple chairs here or your little grill to cook out. So nice and dreamy back here. You still have plenty of room if you have the dogs for them to have plenty of grass for them to come out, but you don't have too much grass to have to mow because nobody wants a whole huge yard to mow. So that's a great little area back here. Put your umbrellas up on this hot day and you've got a beautiful area. And all of this nice paver area back here for everybody to chill out, hang out, bring the family. It is just super great. And this pool was just installed. You know, sometimes people have to leave for reasons they choose not to, I always say. And this one, people want to know all the time was because, you know, family members sometimes take you to them because they get sick. And, you know, that's why this family has to go. So they didn't want to leave this house. They built their dream house. And, you know, then they had to go take care of their mother. So coming in here, decking that you will never have to deal with. All of this is no maintenance. This entire house out here is a no maintenance home. You've got the no maintenance vinyl. You know, everything in here was built so that all of the drainage drains right off of here. We had a super big storm last night and you can see there's no water accumulated anywhere out here. So coming into the house, we're going to step in and we're going to step right back out to the front yard so that you guys can see us coming in from the front of the house because that is absolutely gorgeous. So let me take you to the front of this beautiful home. So here we are. Now, as you see, this home is absolutely dreamy. We have a huge 2-car garage. The curb appeal of this house is absolutely wonderful. we have a huge, beautiful front porch. Everybody loves a front porch. Whether you're older and just sitting out on it, or whether you have the kids and you're watching them play, because this being at the back of the neighborhood, that is one of the greatest things. Another great thing, and one thing that I love about Chesapeake versus a lot of the areas, is we put in all of the sidewalks, which makes it super great when the kids are playing. And you're back here where you have the cul-de-sac this way, the cul-de-sac that way. The only people who are coming through here are the people who are going to the houses on this street, which is always wonderful. You have this super extended driveway. So whether it is that you have extra cars or whether it is that you have an RV or a boat or anything, you have extra room here. And you do have this huge garage here. And the things that I like to point out in the garage, because we know, especially the men love their garage, is we do have the epoxy floors in here. They put their TV out in here. You know, we have some of the built-ins out here. They have a heater and a fan in their garage. Nice little perks. But you do have the tankless water heater, which is always great because you have that instant water heater. I mean, instant hot water. Excuse me, instant water heater. Look, I'm going on vacation tomorrow and I really need it. So you can see that. So let's take a walk inside this gorgeous home. It's absolutely stunning. So as you walk into this house, we are 5 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. We have so much room here. It is absolutely outstanding. And on the first floor, you'll see that we have no flooring that is carpet, which is great. So if this is something I said, you know, it's a little different over here, we would give an allowance to change this out and keep this flooring going. So this here is that formal living room. There's so much you can do with these rooms and so much functionality that can happen with these rooms. Whether you wanted to make this into the formal living room or you wanted to bring this in and make this an office or a kid's playroom, homeschool room, so many things. I know you hear me say that all the time, but there's just so much functionality in this today. A lot of people just make this into a room that's really pretty and never gets used, where there's so many things you can use it for. But with the amount of bedrooms here in this house, unless you got a ton of kids, there's a ton of things you can do with this. And you would really have to have that because there's an extra room in this house that I don't even count as a bedroom. So on this side here, you're going to come into that formal dining room. And I really do think this would be absolutely beautiful if you brought that LVP through the entire downstairs and made this one consecutive flooring. So I want to bring you actually through this way because this is the way most people are going to come through. Don't want to skip things that people love and they get mad at me if I skip. You do have a closet for your coats when you first walk in. You'll see that we have extra wide hallways coming in. Your thermostat for your HVAC is here. This living space is ginormous. So you have so much room here. So this is your living room. I mean, there's so much room here. So if you're that person who has, and if you're buying this house, it's 3,500 square feet. This is a lot of square footage in this house. So you can put your big, huge sectional couch, but you have so much other room. If you're that person that wants the sectional and then you want the 2 recliners, you've got the room for the TV. You've got so much room in this house for so much furniture. You come over here in your kitchen, which is the heart of the home, and everybody is still central. You're going to go this way up the stairs, and I love that the stairs aren't right as soon as you walk into the door. They're on the back side of the house. You've got this area here where you're going to put your bar stools here so that anybody's watching you cook or the kids are doing their homework. The kitchen is absolutely lovely in this house, and all the appliances are in great shape, and you do have great backsplash. You have tons of cabinetry here as well. And you have a nice pantry here. And this right here is where you saw us earlier going back out of the house. You have so much lighting coming into this house. And here is where you can either put a huge table here, which is probably what most people are going to do. So whether you need that dining room or you use it for something else, because this is going to obviously handle a very, very large table. But I mean, like I said, there's so many rooms in this house. So, you know, I mean, heck, what are you going to do with all of these rooms? I don't know. You know, y'all could drop me some comments, tell me what you're going to do. Don't forget to subscribe to me while you're doing that. But there's just so many things that you can do with this. I don't know that you need another hangout room, sitting room, you know, place to put your TV, because right there you have that big, huge area. But I do like a gathering room. So it would be really nice to have, because of all of the sunlight in here, just a room to sit and relax in here and make this into a sunroom. I think it would be beautiful. I mean, I can imagine your Christmas tree in here. You know, they say, once you see your house is a Christmas house, you found your house. So this house, Christmas tree. Imagine Christmas morning opening all of your presents up right here. I think this is the ideal location for your Christmas tree. So, as we walk around, you can see this has great functionality while you're cooking. I mean, extremely great functionality while you're cooking. Unless you're me and you don't cook. So, really, really good functionality for a cook. So, here you have another closet. Look, if you don't need this as a coat closet, it could be another pantry. But the great thing about this is it's right off of that garage, so it could be another coat closet. You have your half bath here, which is your guest bath. We all know Betsy does not like an open toilet seat. I did catch the other ones, must have missed this one. But this is a great bathroom. This house, the great thing about it is all of the floors are done. All of the paint is done for you. Everything is move-in ready. There's nothing for you to do. This does not count as a bedroom. So this is a great office. So yes, when I say there's 5 bedrooms, this is not one of them. So this is just an office space. So an extra space for your office. This is wonderful. You do have a crawl space on this house, which most of these builders did not build crawl spaces. So this crawl space is great. You do have an encapsulation on this crawl space if that's something you're looking for as well. So encapsulated crawl. So let's go up and see what's going on upstairs. We know that Betsy takes her shoes off, but we take our shoes off, why? So that we don't fall up the stairs. So we're gonna go up the stairs here. We are offering a carpet allowance if anybody feels they need it. I think the carpet actually looks great, but if somebody were to say, hey, I feel like I want to move in with fresh carpet, my carpet guy can come in here really quickly and flip out this carpet and put new carpet in. So you've got 1 bedroom right here. So you'll see the bedrooms are good sized. You could easily fit a queen size bed in here. Or if you've got littles, I can imagine a bunk bed or something like that in here. Because remember, you've got tons of bedrooms here. Tons of square footage. So we're going to bedroom number 2. So bedroom number 2, we did leave the mounts on the wall, and we do have the brackets for the TVs. Those are in the closets. Bedroom, closet number 2 here. So again, plenty of room here. Nice size room for your bed and everything like that for kid number 2. Or family member number 2. Here is all of your mechanicals in here. And then bedroom number 3. This is the largest one that we've seen so far. So I guess based on age is how we rank who gets what. Or they can just fight it out. I don't know. So we're going to go from here, and we have the bathroom here. Now, I would have extended this, but let me just tell you, Betsy's got a guy. I always got a guy. So it is very simple to put a double sink in here, I would have definitely done that. But we just take the toilet paper holder off, put it over here, and extend this, and the kids don't have to fight. But all of this is beautiful. I mean, this doesn't even look like it's ever been used. Ever been used. So, coming back over here, we have the washer dryer. Nice. We're not going to go to the primary yet. Oh, look, another closet. So, linen closet here. This room is just amazing, by the way. This room was filled with TVs. It's kind of like the hangout room, the boys' room, sports room. Had TVs here, had TVs going here. On both sides here, you do have storage scuttles. So you'll have all of the storage. There is tons of storage. This is insulated good, so you don't have to worry about that. Insulated on all sides, top, everything, so you're not going to have that heat from here. But you do have nice storage. Both sides are done exactly the same, so you've got plenty of room. This is where you store all your Christmas stuff. You did see probably, and I'll show you when we go by, that you do have the pull down attic stairs, so you have plenty of walking area. Plenty of storage area there. But this is like moving into a brand new home, but not having to A, pay brand new pricing right now, because brand new pricing is through the roof since the tariffs. But B, they've already worked out all of the kinks. They've already paid for their blinds to go in, and they've put your pool in, which we all know pools today, $100,000. I told somebody on the phone on my way over here, I was like, I mean, if you had a pool, we could get that price, but you don't, you know? So as you come through here, you're going to go into that primary. And this primary is absolutely luxurious. We'll go into the primary bath in just a second. Huge primary in here. I mean, primary bed here, TV on the wall. If you're a person who has a TV in the bedroom, I do. I know there's a lot of people who are like, don't put a TV in your bedroom. I have one. My husband goes to sleep. We go to bed together, but he goes to sleep in like 2 seconds. I have to have the TV on. I don't know if it's age. I have started falling asleep in about 15 minutes, but you know, TV on. So you got plenty of room for dressers, everything in here, but you do still have a large closet in this home. So you're coming in here into your primary bath. You do have double sinks, so it keeps you happy and married. You do have a private pooper, keeps you married. You have a brand new glass door on here. So nice shower. This is tile. And then you have this huge primary closet. So if you are looking for a move-in ready house, can close quickly, has everything you possibly could need, there's absolutely nothing to do for this house. You have a beautiful backyard. You have a pool. The price is absolutely amazing. We are in a great school district. We are in the Indian River and Greenbrier School District. There is everything in this house. We are private back here, super quiet, amazing cul-de-sacs. The house everything's been done to the house that could possibly be done. Then this house is for you, and it is super, super ready. So call a girl, and don't forget to subscribe to me.